Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to destroy paint spikes in Expedition 33. Paint spikes in Expedition 33 cannot be broken at the start of the game, and require a specific ability to interact with them. These obstacles are designed to block optional paths and hidden areas rather than main story progression. To break it, you must first unlock the appropriate story ability, or tool tied to the progression. If you happen to find some lost Gestral children hidden around the world map, you can interact with them to bring them back to camp. Once you've found just one of the 9 missing Gestrals, you will meet with Sastro, who will give you the side quest to find all the missing children. If you manage to find at least 4 of these children, come back to camp and interact with Sastro. One of the first you can find should be right in front of the SKA's nest. The second one right next to the Stone Wave Cliffs to the right. The third one is just outside the white tree at the corner. And the fourth one should be northwest of Old Lumiere. The Gestral should be right next to 2 mimes. Once you've collected all 4, go back to camp and speak with Sastro. 4 should be enough for you to unlock the paint break ability, which allows you to break these paint spikes that you find inside areas. There are tons of these inside the dungeons, even in the lower level areas, so it's best to explore the previous locations to find out what you missed out on. And that's how to destroy paint spikes in Expedition 33.